Okay, so I'm gonna make a sandwich because uh, everyone keeps asking me what I eat. So, here's how to make a really dank sandwich. Okay. So, first, you're gonna need some bread, then make a mixture, veggies and avocado, and I will be putting garlic powder on it and oregano. Okay, so you toast the bread and then you put your I call it like a saucy base layer. So you're gonna do like either hummus or just plain veggies. So I'm gonna make like a nice creamy mixture to put on it. And then what you're gonna do is top it with a bunch of shite and then whatever you want, and then there's so much. So start with the toasting. You're going to put your avocado in a bowl. Now I like to split my avocado in, I don't know, like these little wedges, and then you can just peel them nicely off. Okay, this one's not peeling nicely, but here it goes. Look at that peel. Yeah, so it makes it a lot easier. It's always nice to compost the scraps. So now I'm going to put some veggies in there. I've got a spoon. I'm doing about 3 nice scoops. You sprinkle on the garlic powder, however much you like, I don't care. And then some oregano. You can use whatever spices that you want, that's just what I'm using. So it looks like this. And then you get a fork and you just mash it up. So this is what it looks like mashed up, nicely. And then I'm actually gonna throw some hemp pads. So that will give it some extra protein. Avocado is like good healthy fats. This is good protein. And you know what? So I just kind of eye everything out. I don't really measure it. If I had to measure this, I would say maybe like a teaspoon each, maybe 2. Mix that up. And flax seeds are very good for the brain. Okay, so now you have this awesome base for your sandwich. So now you're just gonna add your vegetables to it. And I like to add tomato to like everything. So we're gonna do that. I'm gonna add tomato and sprouts and I don't know what else you have. But you just basically look through your fridge and see what kind of vegetables you have and just use whatever you can find to put on it. Okay, so I found some spinach leaves in the fridge. So you gotta get your greens every single day. It's super important to get your greens, like dark leafy greens. And did you know, ladies, if you're pregnant and you don't eat your leafy greens within the first 2 weeks of pregnancy, your baby will like come out all fucked up, right? So it's kind of scary. Eat greens. And then we got a cucumber I'm gonna use, and also found a radish I'm gonna use. These are nice and cheap and good. And then I found some vegan cheese and some tomato, and I'm gonna put this. So here's my veggies I'm gonna be putting on the sandwich. Tomato is so delicious. And then putting on this. Okay, a little bit more. Oh yeah. And then the radish pieces. And at this point, everything is kind of just like falling off, but I don't care. Okay, so I got this nice sandwich. It's looking so good. Oh shit. It's looking really good. So then, oh yeah, and then you put nutritional yeast on it because I love nutritional yeast. We're gonna do that. Okay, I'm gonna put some new yeast on it. Okay. And I'm gonna put some black pepper on it because I love black pepper. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, and then put salt on it. Too much. And then you carefully smash it together. And you have an amazing sandwich. Now, when you cut it Oh yeah, okay, so when you cut a sandwich, like hold it on either side so it doesn't like come apart. Then you have, look at that, look at that. Oh my god, that looks so good. Yeah. Then you have a perfectly magical sandwich. So it's a good formula to use. And you should stay healthy all the time.